Hi guys, let me take you to another set of problems on digits of a number, wherein we have to display the digits of a number taking as input n will be the number for which the digits have to be displayed, and we need to print the digits of the number line-wise. So here one point we need to note is line-wise. So suppose if my number is 65784383, then we need the output in the same order as 65784383. Okay, so how do we do it? Let us get back to the screen. Previously in the problem, when we were discussing the counting of digits, we did this by, say, if the number is 1 to 3, we divided by 10 to give us the quotient as 12 and the remainder as 3. Then again we took this quotient 12 and we divided by 10 to give us 1 as quotient and 2 as remainder. Then we again took this one quotient as 1 by 10 and we got 0 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So we see if we could have extract these three digits, the last three digits, this remainder 3 to 1, we could say my extract number is 3 to 1. So I'd say I have got 1 to 3 as the digits, but no, as a number. But no, I can't say this because I need the numbers in the line-wise manner. So 3 to 1 is not appropriate. The number should have been 1, 2, 3 because my original number is 1, 2, 3. So what do we do it? Either we can reverse this number or we can use another logic, which is, say, let me take another number 5450. So I have to, whenever we need to divide a number, what do? We generally divide it by taking the multiples of 10. So 5450 divided by 1000 gives me 5 as quotient and 450 as remainder. What have we done? We have taken the number of digits and we have divided these number of digits with the powers of 10, one less. Like if this is 4-digit number, I have to divide it with the power of 10, which is 10 to the power 3, because 4 minus 1 gives me 3. Now I have got 450 as the remainder, so 450 divided by, in this step we need 10 to the power 2 because my number is 3-digit number. So 10 to the power 2 gives me 100 and I'll divide it with that to take out 4 as quotient and 50 as the remainder. Then again in the next step 50 divided by 10 because these powers would be lessening in each subsequent step, as 50 is a 2-digit number, so I need to check for 10 to the power 1 because 2 minus 1 gives me 1. 10 to the power 1 is 10, so I'll be dividing 50 by 10 and it will give me 5 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. You'll say, okay, my work is done, I need to stop. But wait, I haven't extracted all the digits. I have only extracted the 3 digits. The last digit is left. So I'll do it again 0, since 0 is my remainder. So I'm doing 0 divided by, now what? 10 to the power 0, because 0 is a 1-digit number. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 10 to the power 0 gives me 1. So 0 divided by 1 gives me 0 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. I am not concerned about the remainders here. I'm only concerned about the quotients. So I get my number as 5450. So if I just print out this quotient, it will give me 5450, which will be the desired output I need. So let me check how do we do it. Let me show you how do we do it in the coding. Okay, so here we go. Since we need to take input of a number, we will be using scanner. This is our custom width, so I don't need to explain anything. Scanner system.in. Okay, int n is the desired input number, so I'll take it as int n. Okay. Now, in the previous question, when we were extracting digits, what was the logic? We were taking a counter as digits and we were initializing it to 0 because we don't know the number of digits. We have to keep adding on to it. So int temp. Okay, see one more thing. In the previous digits extraction thing, we used the number as the original and did it. But whenever we need to perform multiple calculations on a number, we don't generally use the original number. We store it in a temporary variable. Because what this does, this saves my original number. In case my program hampers my original number, then that won't be of any use. So I do it with a temp variable, and I will perform the check while temp not equals 0. I have to perform several steps like temp is equals temp mod temp divided by 10, then digits plus plus. Okay, so here I have extracted my digits. I have counted the number of digits. I have got if 5450, then I'll get the output as 4 digits. So my number is a 4-digit number. Why did I do this? I did this to take out this power, because I have to subtract the power from the number of digits by 1. So it should be int divisor equals int math dot pow 10 to the power digits minus 1. Why? Because we will be dividing a 4-digit number with 10 to the power 3, a 5-digit number with 10 to the power 4. So it's coming from the number of digits minus 1. Okay, and we have used int here because math.pow generally gives us a floating number. So it will give me, if it is this and digits minus 1, so if it is a 4-digit number, it will give me 10 to the power 3, but the output would be 1000.0. So what will I do about the 0.0? So I convert it into int, and so it will give me return me 1000. Now what do I need to do? While div not equals 0. Okay, because we will continue till the divisor is not 0. Okay, we need to get to quotient, so we'll get int quotient equals n by divisor. Now we print out the quotient in each step, because here we got 5 4 5 0, so we'll be printing the quotients. Okay, so I'm printing my quotient. Now n becomes n mod divisor, and this divisor is divisor by 10. Okay, because in each step we are decreasing the divisor by power of 10. So we have done this, and now let us run this program and see if our output is coming as the desired one. I run it, and the output is 6578438 3. Yes, I've got all the digits. Let me check it for another of my inputs. I'm taking it as 43562. So my output should be 43562 in the same order, and I've got this in the same order, 4 3 5 6 and 2. So my solution should be accepted, and hopefully I've understood how to bring out the digits of a number in the same order. So let me submit it and check how many marks I get. I get 10 out of 10. That means all my test cases have been fulfilled. So thank you.